I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bubble holder. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a clean plastic bottle, perhaps a 16-ounce soda bottle, along with some sharp scissors and a craft knife. Don't forget a strong, waterproof adhesive to secure your pieces. For personalization, have some paint, glitter, or fun stickers ready. Always ensure your chosen materials are safe and non-toxic, especially if children will be using the holder. Now let's prepare the bottle. Using your craft knife or scissors, carefully cut off the top section of the plastic bottle. Aim for a cut about 1/3 of the way down from the top, creating a wider opening. After cutting, it's important to smooth any rough edges. You can use a piece of sandpaper or a small file to ensure there are no sharp points, making it safe for handling. This bottom part will serve as the main reservoir for your bubble solution. Next, we'll add the slots for your bubble wands. Around the rim of your prepared bottle base, carefully cut several small vertical slits. Each slit should be approximately 1 inch deep and narrow enough to snugly hold a bubble wand. Try to space these slits evenly, perhaps about 2 inches apart, depending on the size of your holder. These slots are crucial for keeping your bubble wands upright and organized, preventing them from falling into the solution. Finally, it's time to personalize and finish your bubble holder. Get creative with paint, glitter, or stickers to make it uniquely yours. If you're painting, ensure you allow ample time for all surfaces to dry completely before moving on. Once dry, simply fill your new holder with your favorite bubble solution. Place your bubble wands into the designated slots, and you're all set to enjoy hours of bubble-blowing fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.